applying an input mask in Access. Here I have Access open, and again, Access opens in the Backstage area. I'm going to use a recent database. So down here in Recent, I'm going to choose City Greenhouse. I can also choose Open if I want to. But since it's real handy right here, I'm going to choose City Greenhouse. And when Access opens an existing database, you get a security warning just like you do in Excel. So I'm going to enable the content there. And over here in my objects, I have only one table, and that's the one I'm going to choose. So I'm going to open the table called Hours Worked. I'm going to change my view to Design View because I want to use an input mask. An input mask forces users to enter data in a consistent format. Input masks are only available from the Design View Field Properties pane. The input mask offers a variety of common input masks, including phone numbers, date and time, social security, to name a few. To apply an input mask to a field in the Design View, we're going to make sure we're in the field that we want the input mask. And I'm going to create a new field called Phone Number. And I'm going to leave it as short text. Even though phone numbers are numbers, I'm not going to use them in calculations. I'm going to come down to Input Mask. And all the way to the right, we have these three little dots. I'm going to click on that. And Access is going to remind me to save the table because I made a change by adding the phone number field. I'm going to say yes. And up pops the Input Mask Wizard. So there are some already in here for us that we can choose from. We can edit the list and add anything that we want. So I'm going to just choose phone number. It has a try it there, so I can type in a number to see what it's going to look like. But I'm just going to hit next. And up here is the Access coding for the input mask. I do want parentheses with spaces and the dash. So I'm just going to, and again, I can try it. I'm going to just hit next. I do want the symbols to show because I do want those parentheses and the spaces and the dash. So I want it to look just like that. And I'm going to hit next. And that's all I need. I'm going to hit finish. And Access will put that input mask coding for phone number right there for me. And that's all I need to do for that. I can change my field size because the telephone number is not going to be 255 characters. So that would be, just make that 15. I'm going to change my view and save. Now, the reason I'm getting this message is anytime you add a field name after you already have data in there, Access is going to tell you that, hey, you might lose some information. Do you really want to continue? I'm going to say yes, and then it's going to change my view. So here's my new phone number field. I'm just going to drag that a little bit to see. If I were to click in there, I get the formatting. I can see how it's going to be formatted. And at this point, I can just simply type my 10 numbers, and Access will format it for me. So I'm going to put my information in there. I'm going to use area code 485 555 6437. I'm going to arrow down. Now when I arrow down, I do not see the formatting, but if I click on it again, I will. But there's no need to do that. I just simply type the 10 numbers. Again, it makes it go so much faster. You just want to make sure you don't have any typos. 485 555 8190. Arrow scroll down, 485, 555, 2641, 485, 555, 6093, 485, 555, 5927. And that's all there is to the input mask. I'm going to save my file.